Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over a premium medium question that I just solved on my own. So I'm really happy about this because I avoided this one for the longest time, but I actually sat down and tried to do it and I just came up with a brute force approach and it worked. So again, pretty happy. This is a similar question to 2grind75 questions. So again, it's good that I solved this on my own without help, just to prove that, I did understand the concept. So let's go over it. Basically, you have some regions where the first is the key and this is the value, and you want to find the one key out of all the keys that's guaranteed to be the answer that holds both these. So basically, for example, North America has United States and Canada, so you would look for these as keys. United States has New York, so that's a check. Canada has Quebec, that's a check. So North America is going to be one possible answer. And so you just go ahead and union all of these, and then these look for the keys, and then for these also look for if that's a key. So it's kind of like a graph, so we can just create a dictionary for this. And let's first map what we need. And basically just do like a union find. So D of R0 is equal to R1 to the end. And let's print D just so you can see what I mean. Cool, key. And then these are the values, and then these values might be looking for the keys in here. So you want to find region 1 or region 2, and region 1 and region 2 can also be the key, so that's also valid. So let's go ahead and iterate over our dictionary, and let's call this current is key, and let's print current and key. So now we have to basically go over that sublist. So for A and DK, decur, let's create a set called scene, and we're just going to add the current key because that might be valid. And then we just add, well, first we have to add this current value. So for example, if we're on Earth, we add North America to the set, and then we do a depth first search on this key with the same set. So it's going to be the actual word and then the set, and then same thing for W in D of word. So first, if current is only if A is inside of our dictionary as a key, do we actually do this? So I was trying a default dict, but it kept giving me a dictionary change during iteration error. So I just figured using a regular dictionary is easier. So again, same thing. If W is in D as a key, then scene.add W and DFS W and scene. So let's go ahead and just print current and scene. Let's get rid of this. So we already created our dictionary. Cool. So as you can see, North America holds USA, Canada, North America. So that's not right. We wanted to hold Quebec. So we actually, instead of doing this, let's just do scene.update a set of D of A, right? The entire value. So all of these, not just one of them. So same thing, scene.update set of D of W. That should just encompass all the results that we need. So now you can see North America includes both Quebec and New York. And then we have to find the smallest common region, right? So let's use a sorted list. And the first parameter is going to be take priority. It's like a heap. And then cool. So now we can say if region 1 is in scene and region 2 is in scene, right? Or again, the key is equal to region 1 and region 2 is in scene, or cur is equal to region 2 and region 1 is in scene, because the keys can be whatever they need to be. So in that case, we print current and scene. This is a valid answer. Cool. So region 1 in scene and region 2 in scene. Or is equal to this, and region 2 is in scene, or cur is equal to region 2 and region 1 in scene. Okay, something doesn't look correct. What's going on here? Earth. So set of DW. Yeah, that seems right to me. So maybe we shouldn't do that, or maybe we can, I don't know. Okay, set of D current maybe. Okay. The question is why this is not appearing. Region 1. So Canada and South America are not, South America is not in here. That's weird. So if we were to do Earth and North America, where's Canada though? Or South America. So South America, okay, so it is in here. So why is South America not in here? Scene.add A maybe. South America or Earth. Okay, now Earth has South America. Now we can do this. Okay, cool. So only the possible answers. So it's really just about not missing anything. And then now we can just say sl.add length of scene, because that's going to be the lowest priority in ascending order, and then current. And then at the end, we can just return SL of 0 of 1, which gives us the smallest region in terms of the size of it. That encompasses both region 1 and region 2 as either the keys or the values in the union find a dictionary. So let's submit this. And there you go, passes all test cases. So again, I'm pretty happy about this, that I solved it without any assistance. It is not the most efficient solution. I'm sure this is kind of like a brute force and there's a better way to do this, but again, just 20 test cases. For me, what counts is solving it on my own and coming up with my own solution. So yep, as I always say, that's it. Thank you for this video. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more.